The first part to making great key lime pie is making a great crust. And you don't need a whole lot of ingredients. It's just simply graham crackers and butter. So you will need 2 packages of graham crackers. Now you're going to need to turn these into crumbs. Buying the pre-packaged crumbs, it just doesn't taste as good as making the crumbs yourself. So you can do that with a food processor, or you can go get a bag and a meat mallet and do it that way. Where I've done it this way, I use the silicone bags versus the standard plastic Ziploc, because when you mush the crackers, they end up putting holes and you get graham crackers everywhere. So, silicone bag, mallet, or my other preferred method, which is to use the food processor. And that's what we're going to do here. For this recipe, you will need 2 packages of graham crackers. We're just going to put them all in here. Break them up, get them in. Go. Now go ahead and run this till you get crumbs. That didn't take very long. All right. We're going to put the graham cracker crumbs right into the bowl. We're going to add 1 stick of melted butter. Okay. And then we're just going to combine. Once we have the graham cracker crumbs mixed with the butter, we're ready to put that into the pan. So you'll need a nice deep pie plate. This is one of my favorites because it's super deep. Now we'll go ahead and add the graham cracker crumbs to the pie plate. We'll want to really mush these down in here because we want a nice firm crust. I really like this pie dish because it's nice and deep. It makes the graham cracker crust really nice and firm, and you get enough filling. So you have a good ratio of pie crust to pie filling in here. Perfect. Now that we're all set with a graham cracker crust, we're going to go ahead and bake this in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. Now onto the filling. For this, you will need 3 egg yolks, 1 cup key lime juice, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. So you want to get all that out. Okay. A little bit of that sour cream left. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stir to combine. I like stirring this in a larger bowl because with the juice it just sloshes everywhere otherwise. Takes a few minutes to combine this in with the sour cream and the sweetened condensed milk. When it does, it will be one of the best pies. Now, none of our holidays are complete without a key lime pie. Being a Floridian here, key lime pie is for every holiday. There's no Thanksgiving without key lime pie, no Christmas without key lime pie, and certainly no Easter without key lime pie. So it is a staple for us. This is a true Floridian pie. All right, look at that. It's all combined. Perfect. Now we are ready to fill the pie. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and fill the pie. That's why I like these deeper pans. If you have a shallow pan, you'll notice that there were extra graham cracker crumbs. That crust made for 2 pies. And generally, if you have a shallower pan, you'll want to use the rest of this into that second pan. Make a smaller second pie then. But there we are. We'll just jiggle it a little. And it's ready to go in the oven. You'll bake this for another 10 minutes at 350 degrees. After 10 minutes in the oven, you'll want to let this pie cool and then completely chill it in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours before serving.